number 1.
Welcome to Max class. Today we are going to see the topic expanded form and short form. In place value chart, what is the first rightmost place value? 1. 1 means there is no zeros here. Then next place value 10. How many zeros in 10? Only 1 zero. Next is 100. For 100, how many zeros? 2 zeros. And 1000, 3 zeros. 10,000, 4 zeros. For lakh, 5 zero. And 10 lakh, 6 zero. 1 crore, 7 zeros. 10 crore, 8 zeros. So we have to memorize this. For 1's place no zero, 10's 1 zero, 100 2 zero, 1000 3 zero, 10,000 4 zero, lakh 5 zero, 10 lakh 6 zero, crore 7 and 10 crore 8 zeros. Now let us see the expanded form. That is how to write the numbers in expanded form. Write the following numbers in expanded form. 63,570. First to write the place value in this number. From rightmost digit is 0. The first place value is 1s, 10s, 100, 1000 and 10,000. First to write the place values above this number. Next, this is 1's place value. For 1's place value, what is this? No zero. Here you write no zero. For 10s, how many zero? 1 0, 100, 2 0, 1000, 3 0 and 10,000, 4 0. For your convenience, you write this below this number. Okay. For in 10,000 place value, what is the first digit? 6. 6 is in the 10,000 place value. For 10,000, how many zeros? 4 zeros. So write the number 6 and write 4 zeros. And write the symbol plus. Next 3 is in the place value 1000. For 1000, how many zeros? Here how many? 3. So write the number 3 and write 3 zeros. Next put the symbol plus. 3 zeros. Next 5 is in the place value 100. For 100, how many zeros? 2 zero. So 5 and 2 zeros. Next write the symbol plus. For 10s, how many zero? 1 0. So 7 into 1 0 plus and write the 1's place value. What is the 1's place value? 0. For 1's place value there is no 0. So write only this number 0. The second number is write the place value 1's, 10's, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So write for 1's place value no 0. For 10's 1 0, 100 2 0, 1000 3 0, 10,000 4 0, lakh 5 0 and 10 lakh 6 0. So what is the first number? 3. Below what is the number here? 6. So write 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus the next digit is 6. 6 for how many zeros? 5. So 6 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus next place value 10,000. For 10,000 place value number is here 0. For 0, how many zeros? 4 zeros. But you write only 1 0, it is enough. So next 1 is in the place value 1000. For 1000, how many zero? 3 0. So here you write plus, write the number 1. And write the 0, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 plus. Next 4 is in the place value 100. So write the number 4. For 100, how many zero? 2 0. So 1, 2 plus. And next 7 is in the place value So write only the number 8. On the third number is write the place value ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Here ones no zero. Here 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the number? First number 1 and write the 7 zeros because for 1 crore here what is this? 7 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus and 4 is in the place value 10 lakh. For 10 lakhs how many zeros? 6 0. So write the number 4 and write 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 7. For 7 how many zeros? Here 7 is in the place value. Next what is the number? 5. 5 is in the place value lakh. For lakh how many zeros? 5 zeros. So here you write 5 and add 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus the next digit is 7. For 7 how many zeros? 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus and 0. 0 is in the place value. Here 0 is in the place value of 1000. 1000 for how many 0? 3 0. But here what is the number? 0. So no need to write 3 zeros. You write only 1 0. Next here also 0 is in the place value of 100. So 0 into 2 0, 0. Here plus 0. And 0 is in the place value of tens place. Tens place how many 0? 1 0. So no need to write 2 0. Just you write only 1 0. Next 4 is in the place value of ones. So for 4 no 0. So 4 into 1 4. Just you write the number, the last digit 4. Topic is standard form. Write the following numbers in standard form. See how look these numbers. So last topic la namme வந்து expanded form. So இந்த questions வந்து இப்படி இருக்கு, expanded formல இருக்கு. நாம வந்து standard form அப்படினா last expanded formல இந்த question இங்க answer வரும். இங்க expanded form answer இருந்தது இங்க questions இருக்கும். That is the changes. So see here 3 4 zeros plus 3 3 zeros plus 3 2 zeros and plus 3 1 0 plus 3. Now I will teach two methods. So you follow any one method. What is for your convenience. So see from the right side. What is the first digit? 3. Normally the first place value is the ones place value. Next what is the in place value chart? Next place value tens. For 10 how many 0? 1 0. So இந்த இடத்துல நீங்க என்ன பண்ணனும் அப்படினா 1 0 டிஜிட் இருக்கா அப்படினா நீங்க பார்க்கணும். So இங்க 1s இருந்தா இது வந்து tens place. Next 2 zeros இருக்கா அப்படினு பார்க்கணும். Here there are 2 zeros, so it is a 100 place value. Next 3 zeros irkaan parunga, 3 zeros irundha idu 1000. Next 4 zeros means here 10,000. So inga namakku vandu place values continuous ah irukku. So inga eppadi short form ah eduvum appadina here you write ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and up to 10,000. So in ones place value what is the number here? 3. In tens place value leave the number 0. Right before number. What is this? 3. So write the number 3 in the tens place value. In 100 place value leave the number 2 zeros and write the number 3 in 100 place. Next in 1000 leave 3 zeros, write the number 3. And in 10,000 leave 4 zeros. What is the number here? 3. So this is the standard form of this question. That is place the commas 1 2 3 comma 1 2 33,333. Now I will teach the second method. Just you add all the numbers. What is the first place here? 10,000 3 0 0 0 0. And in down you write the 1000 place value. What is the number here? 0 0 0 and number 3. Next 2 zeros 3. 2 zeros number 3. Next 103. Next last one is 3. Just you add it. So see add it. If you add 4 zeros and 3 means answer is 3. Next 3 zeros and 3 answer is 3. 0 plus 0 plus 3 3. 0 plus 3 3 and the last number is 3. So check the answers. The both answers are equal. So you can follow any one method. The second number is here. How many zeros in first? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many zeros in lakh? 5 zeros. So here 2 lakhs plus 7,000 plus 7. How will you write this number in standard form? You can choose any one method, addition method, or directly you can write the short form. The another name of standard form is short form. So here from right digit, what is the number here? 1's place value. So there is no zeros. Next, what is the place value? 10's place value. On the 10's place na 1 zeros irukno. And the 1's place value inge illa. So next 2 zeros irukka நம்ம check பண்ணனும். ஆனா இந்த 2 zeros இல்ல. அடுத்து எனக்கு 3 zeros உள்ள digits தான் இருக்கு. So 3 zeros அப்படினா இது என்னது? 1000. So 7,000. 7 is in the place value of 1000. Next என்ன இருக்கும்? 3000 க்கு அப்புறம் 3 zeros க்கு அப்புறம் 4 zeros இருக்கும். So 4 zeros உள்ள digit இருக்கான்னு பார்க்கலாம். இந்த 1 2 3 4 5. 4 zeros உள்ள digit miss ஆயிடுச்சு. That is 10,000 place value is missing. Next here how many zeros? 5 zeros. So 5 zeros digits தான் இருக்கு. 5 zeros எந்த இருக்கு? Lakhs place value. So it is in the place value of lakhs. So how will you write this number in standard form? So up to lakhs you write the place value ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. For one's place what's the number here? 7. For tens, for இங்க வந்து tens place இருக்கா? இல்ல. So அந்த tens place க்கு என்ன போடணும் நம்ம 0. அடுத்து 100 place இல்ல 0. அடுத்து 1000 place value இந்த 1000 place value இருக்கு. So zeros விட்டுட்டு இங்க என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கு? 7. Next 10,000 place value இருக்கா? இல்ல. So அப்ப 10,000 place value என்ன போடணும்? 0. Next வந்து lakhs place value இருக்கு. Lakhs place value இந்த 5 zeros நம்ம விட்டுட்டோம்னா remaining என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கு? 2. Next place கமா 1 2 3 கமா 1 2 கமா. How will you read this number? 2,07,007. Do you understand? Or you can follow another addition method. 2 1 2 3 4 5. What is the next number? 3 zeros and 7. The next number 7. Just you add in 0 plus 0 plus 7 7. 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 0 the answer is 0. 0 plus 7 7. Here what is the number? 7 0. Here 2. So check both the answers are equal. 1 2 3 comma 1 2 comma 2,07,007. The next third sum is here 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Next what is how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 plus 30,000 plus 30 plus 5. Write the place value. For one's place value in the zeros நம்ம என்ன digit இருக்கு? 5. So it is in the place value of ones. Next tens na 1 zeros இருக்கா? அப்ப இது tens. Next 2 zeros இருக்கா? இல்ல இது 4 zeros தான் இருக்கு. அப்ப 100's place value is missing. Next 1000 na 3 zeros இருக்கணும். ஆனா இது 4 zeros தான் இருக்கு. So 1000 place values are missing. Next 10,000 னா என்ன இருக்கு? 4 zeros இருக்கு. அப்ப இது 10,000 place value. Next 4 zeros next என்ன இருக்கணும்? 5 zeros இருக்கணும். See here 5 zeros. So 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. It is a lakhs place value. Next 5 zeros next என்ன இருக்கணும்? 6 zeros இருக்கான்னு செக் பண்ணலாம். 1 2 3 4 5 6. So lakhs பத்தி என்ன வரும்? 10 lakhs. So continuously நம்ம digits இருக்கான்னு zeros இருக்கான்னு பார்க்கணும். First நம்பருக்கு zeros இருக்க கூடாது. அடுத்து 1 0 இருக்கணும், 2 0 3 0 4 0 5 0 6 zeros. அது மாதிரி கண்டினியூஸா இருக்கான்னு பார்க்கணும். அப்படி இல்லனா அந்த place values பதிலா நம்ம என்ன போடணும்? zeros. So write the answer up to lakhs 10 lakhs. Write the place value ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and 10 lakh 10 lakh. For one's place value here the number 5. For tens place what is the number there? 3. For 100 place value is missing. So in 100 place value you write the number 0. Next 1000 place value. Here there is no 1000 place value. 1000 place value missing. So write the number 0. Next for 10,000. Here this is a 10,000 place value. Leave 4 0. Write the number 3 in 10,000. Next lakhs place values is here. So leave these 5 zeros, write the number only 7, and 10 lakhs plus 6 zeros, leave 6 zeros, write the number only 8 in the 10 lakhs place value. Next place the commas 1 2 3 comma 1 2 comma 1 2. 87 lakhs, 30,000 and 35. Next addition method 8. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next 1 2 3 4 5 7. Next digit is 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4 and number 3. Next 0 3 and 5. You have to write the numbers from right side to left side. Add these numbers. Here what is the answer? 5. Here 3. 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0. Here 0. Here 0 plus 0 plus 3. 3. And 0 plus 7. 7. Here what is the number? Only 8. Now place the commas 1 2 3 comma 1 2 comma 1 2. 87 lakhs. 30,000 and 35. Check the answers. Both the values are equal. Problem. Here ones place value. Next tens place value. 1 0 irukkan check பண்ணுங்க. 1 0 இல்ல. So tens place value missing. So directly you can write the answer or you write. Check the place values. Next for 100 2 zeros. Here so 2 zeros are here. So here write the place value 100. Next 3 zeros irukkan parunga illa. At 4 zeros irukkan parunga aduvum illa. Next 5 zeros illa. So 5 zeros lakhs place value missing. Next 6 zeros 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros place values irukku. Appo inga place value 10 lakhs. So write the place value here up to 10 lakhs. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Ones place value number 4. 100 place value. Next tens place value missing 0. 100 place value 4. Next 1000 place value missing, so 0. 10,000 place value missing, so write the 0. And lakhs place value also missing, write the number 0. Next 10 lakhs place value is here. So before 10 lakhs, what's the number here? 4. So now place the commas 1 2 3 comma 1 2 comma. In addition method, 4, how many zeros here? 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next number is 400. 0, 0, 4. The next number is 4. Add these 3 numbers. Here what is the number? 4, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 4, 4. Here number 0, here 0. Here also 0. Here what is the number? 4. So 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, comma 1, 2. So check the both answers are equal. So dear students, I hope you all understood about standard form and expanded form of the numbers. Thank you.
Number 1.